Good morning. It's day 120 of day trading the stock market. Open with a small cash account. I'm 14 minutes late to the open. It's because we're not rushing trades anymore. Had some other work stuff to do, so I was, instead of rushing to trade, take a fat L per usual. And just get what I had to get done and get here when I can. Alright, 1 minute to make a new highs over 170 here. Buzzing. 68. Oh, nice. There it goes. Sheesh. Could have been one and done. Could have been one and done in a few seconds. What kind of space we got going on here for TNON? Yup, got some room. Definitely got some room. Okay, is it going to break high of day? 56 to 69. High of day is 183. What's Lobo? 87 cents. LOBO. There's a high day break. Ooh, when it makes it ayo, ayo. Oh, it's live. There's a dip. There's not. Oh, hello. What a rejection off of that fake breakout. It's a slow dip and rip, but dip and rip nonetheless. 98. See if it gets to 1. 99. There's 1. Is he going to get through 1? Got through 1. Ooh, back under. Ping pong. Whoa, and then it halted up. That was, or almost halted up. That was strange. That was strange for sure. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go back and watch that area. I want to see what happened with level 2 and time of sales with that little flash up. That was goofy. What's the news on this? They explore strategic investment. Alt down's at 82, which is right by EMA. We're going to get an ABCD set up on TNON. One minute to make a new high right now. 80, 85, 87, 88. Meant to make a new high. It's going to be over 94 here. Oh, is it going to go again? Are we going to get an extended candle on one of these? Three, two, one, new minute. Kind of just grinding up, steady mobbing. Would love a flash down to VWAP though. Wouldn't that be a treat? LXEH again. I think that was the one that I wouldn't let us trade yesterday. Lobo trying for the 1 minute. Small buyers at 93 cents. Nope, they got cooked. All right, so let's think about this. If this pulls back and creates another bottom for a W, that might give us a potential to hold that for a decent amount of time. Looking for a W shaped. Buyers at 180. Is it going to hold the line? No, it's not. Ping ponging over and under 180. One minute to make a new high is going to be 85. Lobo on the 1 minute to make a new high right now. Trying to buzz. Okay. Halt down 147 on TNON. Lobo. TNON looks like it's starting to curve down. Buyers are getting slim. Okay, might be the start of the second bottom for the W. 10 seconds until a new minute. Fingers off the trigger. We're taking mental wins in August, so I'm not taking this 1 minute to make a new high outside of a front side. We're taking smart trades. We're going to start taking smart trades again. Got a little cocky after June. Little cocky. I mean, it would have to be a range 1 minute to make a new high for a W, though. So, what are you going to do now, kid? You got to take it over 80. Nope, missed it. Ah, that was the trade. Oh, man, with the W and everything. Talked myself out of that one. Scared myself out of that one. Little chicken. I somehow forgot the fact that the W resolution would have to be in a range, which is unfortunate because that was the trade. That was indeed the trade. Hammer. This could get gross. This thing is fighting. These bears are fighting this at 2. And they're way up to 2. Look at this. Topping tail, topping tail, topping tail. I mean, doji, but topping tail. We just saw what happened there. You know, this penny stock has some range too. Get through 2. Get through 2 so we get an extended candle. Nope. 98, 99, 96 on the bid, 95, 94, 92, 92, 91, 90, 89, back to 92. To 14, 98, 99. Here's 2. Ooh, went through too quick. See if it holds or if it gets smoked. Ping pong in with 2. Those sellers got absolutely destroyed through 2, and then looks like more sellers jumped in after 2, which is kind of annoying. But that's alright. VWAP bounce, Lobo. It's an ugly new minute though for that VWAP bounce. Over 2 again. Don't want to play high day breaks. A little too risky. This thing's getting kind of extended from VWAP. Lobo bear trap maybe? It's in a range. Nah, let's just stick to TNON. Things buzzing. Need a pullback though. Can't be taking these high day breaks. Which is unfortunate because now I just watch it go higher and higher and higher. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, the topping tails have me scared. And that's why I don't want to play the high day breaks, because I don't want to get in up here and have to sell down here. Get in up here, have to sell down here, you know. So wait for a little bit cleaner of a setup. This thing looks like it wants to have itself a day though. Could take the EMA maybe. Gonna be risky though, down by 2. Okay, here it goes. Boom. Any extension? Any extension? Any extension? No extension. Wow. Bummer, because that's a trade I actually would have liked to have taken. Dude, went right through 25, straight to 30. Bears, looks like the Bears need to get out of the way of this thing. Decent buyers, 230. Buyers, 230. Buyers, 230. Trying to hold the line. Trying to hold the line. Buyers got eaten. Alright. Trying for the EMA bounce. And how crazy would this be if this would be the time that it actually didn't bounce, considering it just rode EMA for the last 15 minutes, and then I decide to get in on the time that it doesn't? If that happens, I'm not gonna let it get to my head. It'll be alright. Uh-oh. Let's get rid of that there. Let's look for 1 minute to make a new high. Looks like I cut a little too soon there. All right. Well, that was the correct trade. At least the second one was. I didn't get out in time. Obviously, it wasn't quick enough. Took the 1 minute to make a new high. Got a little bit of high of fill, 238. Tried to take it at, I don't know what it was, 235 maybe. Got to 247. So, decent. I thought I was gonna hit my. I thought my automatic sell was gonna execute up there at the 10-cent mark, but look, just a tiny bit shy of executing. But so minus $24 on the day. I'm actually happy with that. I'm happy with that day. But you know, considering this has had a fantastic run, it's unfortunate to be red at all. But I mean, it is what it is. That's what happens when you only have a few trades. We're going to be making a little bit bigger of a deposit into the account probably sometime late next week. So we'll see. We're ready to start taking the baby gloves off, getting back in the swing of things. So I'm out of here. Spread love. Be good to each other. Drop a like. Drop a comment. Let me know how you guys did. Sign up for your emojis. I'm out of here. Peace.